Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the inside scoop on products that can make a difference in your daily life. Today, we're looking at the WantJoin Blender for smoothies. This professional-grade blender claims to provide a quieter, more efficient blending experience for everything from smoothies to soups and even ice crushing. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The WantJoin Blender promises to offer not just power, but also convenience with its unique soundproofing features. One of the standout aspects of this blender is its all-wrapped soundproof cover. This is designed to reduce noise significantly, making it ideal for home kitchens and commercial environments where loud blenders can be disruptive. The cover can be easily removed for feeding and stirring ingredients, but when it's on, it effectively mutes the powerful motor. In terms of versatility, this blender doesn't disappoint. It's not just for smoothies. Whether you're craving milkshakes, frozen desserts, or even soups, the WantJoin Blender can do it all. With a 2,000-watt motor, it's built to handle a variety of ingredients, from hard frozen fruits and vegetables to grains and nuts. This powerful motor is designed to extract vitamins from your ingredients quickly, giving you a smooth, well-blended result every time. Another notable feature is its multifunctional design. It's not just a blender. It's a commercial-grade mixer that can easily crush ice and make smoothies, but it can also handle more intricate tasks like making ice cream or milkshakes. The blender's DIY speed control allows you to easily switch between low and high speeds, giving you the flexibility to create a wide range of dishes at your desired consistency. Aesthetically, the WantJoin Blender has a bold, striking design. The red fuselage and the stainless steel mirror panel give it a modern, upscale look that would stand out in any kitchen. The PC Square Cup is not only large, with a 67 aughts capacity, but it's also unbreakable, adding to the overall durability of the blender. This is the kind of blender that will look great on your countertop and handle your mixing needs without breaking a sweat. Now, how does it perform in real-world use? Setting up the WantJoin Blender is straightforward. It comes together easily, and the controls are intuitive. I put it to the test with a range of tasks, including blending frozen fruit smoothies, crushing ice for a frozen cocktail, and even making a creamy milkshake. The motor's 2,000-watt power was evident as it effortlessly blended even the toughest ingredients, and the soundproof cover did its job. While the motor is powerful, the blender was remarkably quiet, even at high speeds. That's a real win for anyone who wants to blend without waking up the whole house or disturbing a busy cafe environment. In terms of cleaning, the WantJoin Blender keeps things simple. It features an instant cleaning function, where with just a little soap and water, you can use the blender's powerful motor to clean itself. After blending a few smoothies and milkshakes, I gave it a quick clean, and the results were impressive. The instant cleaning feature worked as advertised, and the blender was spotless after just a couple of minutes. But let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. The soundproofing design is genuinely impressive. It makes a big difference, especially in a busy kitchen or a commercial setting. The power of the motor is also a major selling point, as it can handle nearly anything you throw at it. Plus, the versatility of being able to make a wide range of drinks and dishes is something you don't often see in a single blender. It's also very easy to use and clean, which is a big plus for busy people who don't want to spend time washing up. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons. While the soundproof cover is a great feature, it can be a bit bulky, especially if you're in a kitchen with limited counter space. The blender is also quite large, so if you're looking for something more compact, this might not be the best fit. Another thing to keep in mind is that the blender's large motor can take up a fair bit of space, and while the design is sleek, it may not suit every kitchen aesthetic. When it comes to value for money, the WantJoin Blender offers a lot for its price. With a powerful motor, large capacity, and multifunctional capabilities, it's a great investment if you're someone who blends regularly. Compared to other high-powered blenders in the market, this one holds its ground. For instance, if you compare it with something like the Vitamix 5200, which offers similar power and features, but at a higher price point, the WantJoin Blender offers competitive value especially considering its multifunctionality and noise reduction features. In terms of build quality and longevity, this blender is made to last. The unbreakable PC cup and durable construction should hold up well over time, even with frequent use. Given the powerful motor and professional-grade components, it seems built for longevity, but only time will tell how it holds up in the long run. If the brand's reputation is anything to go by, this should be a solid, reliable product for years to come. If you've ever had to deal with poor customer support, you'll be pleased to know that WantJoin generally has a good reputation for service. The few times I've interacted with their team, they've been responsive and helpful. While I didn't need to reach out for any issues with this particular blender, the support is worth mentioning if you're ever in need of assistance. So what's the final verdict on the WantJoin Blender for smoothies? It's a solid performer that offers great value for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile blender with the added bonus of a soundproofing feature. It's perfect for those who need a quiet, commercial-grade machine that can handle everything from smoothies to ice cream. If you don't mind the size and the slight bulk of the soundproof cover, this could be an excellent addition to your kitchen or business. It's got the power, the features, and the design to handle most of your blending needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting your hands on the WantJoin Blender, you can find the link in the comments below. Have you tried this blender already? Or maybe you've got some other favorites? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV, blending it up, one review at a time.